I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes.
Hey guys, it's the second day of spring break and today I'm going to my favorite place in the world with one of my friends. I'm going to Georgetown today. It's gonna be gorgeous and the weather is just so nice. I'm in a t-shirt right now and it's the best time of the year. She's waiting for me. I'm running over late right now and I'm still vlogging what the heck is wrong with me. So see you there.
True. Speculating, a long time waiting to hear a word back from you. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like too much. 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love. Just a face.
Oh, that's kind of weird. I don't know how to wear a headband.
Just delaying and replaying that look upon your face. Your
Really nice weather.
is contagious.
You want to introduce yourself? No.
No.
Rude? Sorry. Just kidding.
Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like too much. 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase.
If I could have you, I would float and touch the moon.
Know that when I'm with you, there's nothing we can't do. 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love.
I don't know if this is love.
I don't know if this is love.
But
Hey.
Why is it so freaking windy today? I thought it was gonna be all aesthetic and stuff.
Summer rain on a window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento
Viewing that. Okay, time to set up shop.
as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future.
That looks like. Guys, this is my setup, okay? It's super cool. Me next to a bunch of graveyards and an amazing view.
Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. You and I'll be better when we're old enough.
God, there are so many people coming by. This is getting really embarrassing just trying to make an aesthetic video. I also brought some yarn today. My teacher thought that instead of getting to know each other and shit, we're gonna knit scarves for the homeless. And I totally agree with this because one, I love crafts. Two, most people already know each other, so yeah. I'm knitting a scarf right now. It looks so tiny. I mean, like, I want to get a cotton and wrap this around its neck. It'll be so cute, you know?
Take apart all the good things, stripped away what's there to do. So many times I tried, but I just don't remember.
Alright, I think this is a good place to stop. It's 6 p.m. right now. I am literally the only one in the park. I don't want to be another person who's kidnapped and make my mom say I told you so to no one, because her daughter would be gone and her son's off to college. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Bye. Am I kidding? I still have this much to clean, so
I'm so